Sustainable transport, SDG implementation, and climate action are interconnected. We must work within these synergies to limit the global temperature rise to 1.5 degrees and address the climate crisis. Sustainable transport is a critical enabler of the SDGs, supporting economic growth and impacting health, jobs, industrialization, infrastructure, sustainable cities, and climate action.
By transitioning to cleaner, more reliable modes of transport, we not only uphold environmental sustainability, but also the economic and social well-being of the people.
The Asian Development Bank had a long association with the EST Forum since the first event in 2005. The EST Forums brings together key stakeholders from a range of interlinked sectors. Collectively, we find solutions to problems that may remain intractable without collaboration. The double-edged sword we are facing is how to continue developing the transport infrastructure on the one side, while mitigating the impact of climate change and habitat loss on the other side through innovative solutions that improve access, safety, and inclusivity in the sustainable fashion.
We are called upon to respond to the various challenges in Asia while dealing with global issues, and from an environmental perspective, it is becoming increasingly important to realize sustainable transportation. This 16th Regional EST Forum in Asia continues to make a follow-up of the IG 2030 Declaration for its realization.
This forum provides a unique opportunity to conduct high-level policy dialogue on climate and nature-positive transport infrastructure development in Asia.
When we talk about urban access, and the HE declaration has it as very central. Access is not only related to transport and transport planning, but when we look at urban access, it's also looking at urban planning and urban design, because transport systems do not exist in a vacuum. They exist within a city network and infrastructure. There are many elements to urban access, and the focus must be on understanding the needs of different people.
Quality road infrastructure serves as the backbone of resilient economies, fostering connectivity, trade, and livelihoods. However, the challenges, as you have heard, of achieving this are extremely complex, requiring innovative policies, partnerships, and also technologies.
This time around, there's a major focus on sustainability and climate change. This is part of our overall vision to have a more affordable, accessible, safe, sustainable, and affordable transportation system. And this covers several of our sectors.
This morning, I'll focus on a key initiative that is upcoming, and that's the United Nations Decade of Sustainable Transport, which is an opportunity for all of us to build the type of international synergies that are needed in sustainable transport, and also support the implementation of key initiatives such as the Aichi 2030 Declaration. And of course, I very much look forward to hearing more following this morning's very rich discussion already of some of the examples that we can scale up to shape the decade's activities.
Clearly, congestion will become even more, cities will probably become even more unlivable, And so we need to address the livability challenges as well as cost of mobility, whether it's of people or goods, will need to reduce. And at the same time, we do need to address the local and global emissions as well.